To convert Bitcoin to USDT on OKX, start by logging into your OKX account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one by providing the required information and verifying your identity. Once you are logged in, navigate to the trading page by clicking on the Trade button at the top of the screen. From the list of available trading pairs, select the Bitcoin USDT pair. Next, click on the Spot Trading tab and then select the Market or Limit Order option. If you choose Market Order, your Bitcoin will be sold for USDT at the current market price. If you choose Limit Order, you will need to specify the price at which you want to sell your Bitcoin. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to convert to USDT and review the transaction details. Make sure to check the fees associated with the transaction and the amount of USDT you will receive. After verifying the transaction details, click on the Confirm button to complete the transaction. The converted USDT will be credited to your OKX account immediately. It is essential to note that the price of Bitcoin can fluctuate rapidly, so the exchange rate may change during the transaction process. Additionally, OKX charges a small fee for each transaction, which will be deducted from the amount of USDT you receive. To minimize fees and get the best exchange rate, it is recommended to use the Limit Order option and set a competitive price. You can also use the Stop Loss feature to limit your potential losses if the price of Bitcoin drops. In conclusion, converting Bitcoin to USDT on OKX is a straightforward process that requires you to log into your account, navigate to the trading page, select the Bitcoin USDT pair, and complete the transaction using either Market or Limit Order. Always review the transaction details carefully and consider using the Limit Order option and Stop Loss feature to minimize fees and risks.